this is the easiest way to take apart these kind of remote controls made by NICE. You take a small tipped Phillips screwdriver, you look at this little hole in the back, and slowly and steadily you push it. This slides out. You can take out the old battery. And put in a new one. It needs a CR2032 battery to operate. As you could observe, when I installed the battery, it started blinking. To put it back, where's this small lanyard? That is the bottom part. This is the bottom part. These two pieces go in those little rails. Slide in and you just pop it back. If you do not have a Phillips screwdriver this small, or maybe for whatever reason that hole is not there, there is also another way, but this is not that elegant and can scratch, as you can see how this was opened earlier. You can place a really small flathead screwdriver up there and insert it there and try prying it up. Failure, but if I do it again, now I managed it. No, failure again. I need to put it different. Okay. So as you can see, this method can damage the plastic. So it is much better to just take a small Phillips screwdriver and push it. So you will not damage anything. You can see it here. There's a little tab that catches it. And when you push this little plastic piece through the hole, it moves it away from that little catch. So it just moves it out. Hope it helped you. Have a nice day. Bye.